In today's video, we want to be discussing ERC20 and BEP20, its similarities, its differences, and its advantages. My name is Emmanuel Jacob, founder, Digital Swap. So if you are just visiting my YouTube channel for the very first time, I want you to subscribe. I want you to give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will have to suggest these videos to other persons just like you looking for such an information like this. I want you to click on the bell icon to turn on post notification so you'll be the very first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos. Alright, so what is ERC20? ERC20 is short for Ethereum request for comment, and the 20 attached to it is actually a token standard on Ethereum blockchain. We have a great deal of numbers. We have different numbers attached to ERC. All right, we have different numbers attached to ERC. We have ERC 972, we have ERC 721, we have a whole lot of numbers, and they are actually representing some form of functionalities on Ethereum blockchain. So what is BEP20? BEP20 is a token standard on Binance Smart Chain network. So what is Binance Smart Chain? Binance Smart Chain is actually a clone of Ethereum. Binance is using Ethereum code verbatim to build Binance Smart Chain. So with Binance Smart Chain, you can do virtually everything you are able to do on Ethereum blockchain, since Binance is kind of a fork of Ethereum blockchain. So what is the advantage of Binance Smart Chain over Ethereum blockchain? Binance Smart Chain transaction fees are quite cheaper and sometimes faster than Ethereum blockchain. So that is why a whole lot of people in recent times have actually moved from Ethereum blockchain to Binance Smart Chain. So now let's check out some similarities of ERC20 and BEP20, that is Ethereum blockchain and Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to launch my Trust wallet, and I'm going to launch my Binance account in order for us to do some comparisons and check out the similarities of Ethereum blockchain and Binance Smart Chain. Basically, about 2 years ago or thereabouts, Ethereum blockchain and Tron blockchain and some other blockchains was actually the only blockchains on Trust wallet until Binance Smart Chain came up, and now up to a point that Binance has actually acquired Trust wallet. So now Binance are now the owners of Trust wallet. That is why you see a whole lot of tokens that are BEP20s on Trust wallet. So now let me launch my Trust wallet. On my Trust wallet, I will click on receive. Clicking on receive, I want to deposit Ethereum, and I'm going to click on Ethereum. So clicking on Ethereum, let's check out the wallet address of Ethereum. The wallet address of Ethereum is starting at 0x1A. Alright, so now let's click on so now let's deposit Smart Chain. So now let's deposit Smart Chain. So searching for Smart Chain, let's check out the wallet address. The wallet address is the same thing with Ethereum wallet address, Ethereum deposit wallet address. Why is it so? So this simply means this is not limited to depositing of Ethereum and Smart Chain. Every other ERC20 tokens, that is being built on Ethereum network, can use this same wallet address. So if I want to deposit any ERC20 token on my Trust wallet, I'm still going to use this same wallet address. If I want to deposit any BEP20 token, I'm going to use this same wallet address. What I mean is, if I want to deposit any token that is being built on Binance Smart Chain, I'm going to use this same wallet address. I said earlier that Binance Smart Chain is actually a clone of Ethereum. So Binance is using the same to the same code used in deploying Ethereum to build Binance Smart Chain. So for instance, now if I want to deposit Cake is a token that is being built on Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so it is a BEP20 token. If I want to deposit Cake, I will type Cake, then the wallet address is the same thing. I'm still going to use the same wallet address to deposit Cake on my Trust wallet. The same thing with me depositing JuleSwap. JuleSwap is also a token that is being built on Binance Smart Chain. Alright, Jude. So I can actually use the two networks, ERC20 and BEP20, to deposit Jude. Let's check out the wallet address. The wallet address is the same thing. Alright, so let's click on deposit of let us deposit BEC. BEC is also a token built on Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so we can also use ERC20 to deposit BEC. So let's check out the wallet address. It's the same thing. Alright, let's check out Dodo. Dodo is also a token that is being built on Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so we can as well deposit Dodo using both ERC20 and BEP20, and the wallet address is the same thing. Alright, so now we want to only check ERC20 tokens starting from Ethereum Classic etc. Ethereum Classic is a fork of the main Ethereum. Alright, so Ethereum Classic, clicking on Ethereum Classic, the wallet address is different. Wow, this is interesting. The wallet address is different on Ethereum Classic because Ethereum Classic is actually a blockchain on its own. It was being forked from Ethereum blockchain. Alright, but we can use ERC20 to deposit Ethereum Classic, and we can as well use BEP20 to deposit Ethereum Classic. Let's check it out. So now this is it. We can use BEP20 to deposit Ethereum Classic. Alright, oh, I haven't seen any ERC20 here. I've not seen any ERC20 here. Alright, let's check out the wallet address. Okay, so now the wallet address to deposit Ethereum Classic is the same thing with the other wallet address, be it BEP20, be it ERC20. So now we want to check out Uniswap. So with Uniswap we can deposit both ERC20. Do we have BEP20 for Uniswap? Yes, we do. We do have BEP20. We do have BEP20 on the Uniswap. How about YFI? So YFI, we can deposit both Ethereum on Ethereum blockchain. And is there BEP20? Yes, there is. And this is the one we call Binance BEC YFI. Simply means you can use BEP20 to send YFI to both Trust Wallet and a Binance account. Alright, let's check out Ocean. Ocean is being built on Ethereum blockchain. Let's check it out. So Ocean has only a deposit address of ERC20. Alright, I think that is enough to convince you that both ERC20 and BEP20 are sharing the same wallet address, and that is on Trust Wallet. Let's check it out on Binance as well. So launching my Binance application, then I'm going to wallet. So if we try to check out all the cryptocurrencies I've checked on Trust Wallet, you are going to see that you can use both ERC. Some of them you can use both ERC20 to deposit, and some of them you can use BEP as well to deposit the same token. Alright, so on Binance now, we want to check our Ethereum wallet address as well as our Binance Smart Chain wallet address. So I'm going to click on deposits. So I'm going to type Ethereum or ETH, then typing ETH. This is the wallet address. This is the wallet address. Alright, this is the wallet address. Then I'm going to now change it from this ERC20 to BEP20 to prove to you that it's still using the same wallet address. Alright, so I've now click on it. Alright, you see the same wallet address. This simply means that any token that is being built on Ethereum network can use this same wallet address to deposit Ethereum and other tokens on Ethereum network. The same thing with Binance Smart Chain. We are going to check it out now. BNB. So on BNB we actually have 3 networks, but we want to talk about BEP20 and ERC20. We want to confirm the wallet address if they are the same thing. If the wallet address is the same thing with BEP20, Ethereum and BNB on Binance. Alright, so I'm going to click on BEP20 now to confirm the wallet address. If you check this, you are going to see that this is the same wallet address we realized when I clicked on Ethereum wallet deposit wallet address. Alright, so I'm going to click on ERC20 now. So on clicking on ERC20, it's using the same wallet address. So those are the similarities of depositing ERC20 token and BEP20 token on Binance wallet. So yes, on Binance account and as well Trust wallets. So we've come to the end of today's video. I really do appreciate you for sticking around. So before you go, I want you to cross check if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I want you to give me a thumbs up because I know you've got value. Then I want you to turn on post notification so you'll be the very first person to be notified on my next video. Alright, I will see you next time. Goodbye.